Ano, yan na. Video na siya.
Hello, dapat kanina pa. Happy birthday.
Ba't mo nakabibigay kasi yung ganyan ito na lang accurate yung akin
안녕하세요.
nag-vlog yung dati konti lang tayo nag-vlog 700
그러면서 생일 축하해.
seryoso si ate pa talaga tumingin
Kahiya! Kahiya ka ba sa personal?
hindi ako masyadong picture conscious ate endorse ko sila yun
Yeah, okay, so I would like to endorse my boyfriend. Rain!
What's that?
Ano nangyari sa pinagmata niya?
What?
Sorry, with Christian Bautista and Yukis.
What's that?
A concert of my boyfriend.
Wait, Wayne.
Wait.
Huh? Wait, Wayne.
Wait.
I also like to introduce my boyfriend
Correct ka dyan.
don't change your face
Yes, and ito naman
Who's that? Moy Moy?
ito si Lucas
September 11, 8 p.m.
Okay.
At Asha? Aisha? Kapag-anak niyo to, pasukin. Mura buhay. Oo, mano.
Ayan ba yung boyfriend? Tingnan natin. Itong boyfriend ni... Ayan.
Lakas na
Diba?
kasi pasukin. Ayan po si Rain Dots.
Ayan. Ayan ang wanted.
Ate Sophia,
Wanted ng hostage yan eh.
Pastor.
Ha?
So,
Ayan.
that's all.
What's that?
TV5. That's all. So, watch my boyfriend's concert on
Okay. The title is Wait, Wayne.
Rain and Yuki.
Rain
No, intensity.
Intensity.
Yes, intensity.
Okay.
Intensity. It's so intensity. So, I love you guys. So
Okay.
please watch.
Please continue to McDonald's forever, just walk the toe.
Okay.
So,
What can you say about
ito,
Tina and Eliza? They're not here.
Ingat kayo. Tina, I'll send you a picture of my boyfriend. O yan sa'yo namin dito. Kumain kami. Barack Obama. Send to them. Give Obama.
Give Obama, man.
Pastor
Okay.
Ibuloy.
Here, there.
Kimbuloy. Pastor Daniel.
Kimbuloy.
Patrick.
Wala na akong sabi. So, God bless.
I love you.
And yung mga hindi nakasama,
I love you.
sorry na lang. At masarapang McDonald's. See you next time.
Love you, Tones.
Okay, bye-bye. Any last words?
McDonald's. Please watch my boyfriend's concert on September 11. Love you all.
Okay, bye.